Hello and welcome. Today we are going to make rakhi for your brother. For this we need some glitter sheet, some white sheet, some thread. You can use any thread like ribbon as well as any wool thread or any moli that we use in the mandir. Okay, first of all we will cut a circle from glitter sheet. Just cut a circle from glitter sheet and cut another circle from any white sheet. Now let's start. First of all we will take our glitter sheet and we will spread some glue and we will paste this white sheet Now we will take two googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, just paste two black paper and put some white dots on that. And if you have googly eyes, just use googly eyes. After using these googly eyes, we will take one black pen and we will make nose as well as mouth. So this is the face art of our Doraemon. Now we will fill the nose with red color. As I had seen, the nose of the Doremon is red in color. So our Doremon is ready. Now let's paste this Doremon on this thread. Use any thread, any silk thread or any wool, moli or any ribbon. So this is our cute Doremon rakhi. This is handmade with full of love. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.